Hello out there. In the latest issue of the Weyerhaeuser Outdoor newsletter, there was a page on seeing your hunting club boundaries on your mobile devices. What I'm showing today is how to use the internet to create your club boundaries. You will then be able to see your club boundaries on the device when you are outside. In part 1, I will show how to create the actual polygon, and in part 2, I will show how to get it loaded onto your device. So starting off, I'll be using Internet Explorer, and I'm on the main Google site. I am logged in as myself. The account I am logged in with on the internet is also set up on my phone. First, I'm clicking on Google Maps. The only real tricky part of the process is finding your club area on the map. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to zoom in to the Hoffman Forest, which is a state forest in eastern North Carolina. There we are. I'm going to pretend that my club boundaries take up a good chunk of the middle. First thing to do is to create a map. So click on My Places, and then Create Map. Give your map a title, and make it unlisted, and click Save. Once our map is saved, we can create the boundaries. I'm going to click on the Draw a Shape option, and I can just start clicking on the map with the left click to create my boundaries. And so I'm going to pretend that my club takes up this whole area, and I can just double click to finish. I can give my polygon a name, and I can change the color of the polygon also by clicking on the symbol patch. I'm going to make the line width 5. This opacity field controls whether you can see through the line. A higher value you'll be able to see less through the line. So I want a solid line, so I'm going to make the line opacity 100 and the fill opacity a value of 1. You can also change the color of the boundaries, so I'll make it red, and I'll click OK. And OK again, and I've got a solid red line for my club boundaries. I can also add a place mark, and I'll click the Add a Place Mark button and left click on the map where I want it to show up. I can give it a title, and I can change the symbol of the point. I'll make it green, and say OK. And you can add any other place marks or additional polygons that you want to do. When you're done, click Save, and click Done, and you're done.